Partner events drive meaningful engagement, but creating, branding, and managing them manually takes time and often leads to inconsistency, making it difficult to scale engagement across partners. ZINFI Events Management enables vendors to centrally create and govern events while empowering partners to co-brand, launch, and promote them with ease. Admins can create and manage events from a centralized events library with full visibility and control. Each event is linked to a campaign, uses a predefined UI/UX package, and includes a preview for validation before launch. Admins manage event structure by defining landing pages, templates, and content, ensuring a consistent experience across all partners. Visibility configuration controls which partners can access each event by country, language, user, or group. Partners access assigned events from the co-brand events section, ready to customize and launch. Partners set up events by confirming key details such as the date, time zone, capacity, and the venue or webinar link. Partners can customize event landing pages using the built-in editor, updating text, images, and layouts without any technical effort. Once configured, partners can preview the event, save their changes, and launch it for promotion. With ZINFI Events Management, vendors can scale partner-led events with confidence, while partners launch professional, branded events without complexity.